professional hairstylist, and I'm so excited to be here with Eva NYC because curls are my specialty. Today I'm going to share with you 3 very easy curly hairstyles that you can do to elevate your look. So without further ado, let's get to it. This first style is going to be all about setting the curls in place. We're going to be utilizing our greatest tools, our hands. More specifically, our fingers. Using a technique called finger coiling, we're going to be twirling our curls to give us maximum definition for a very pretty spiral curl result. I'm applying the Eva NYC Gotta Bounce Curl Defining Cream, which is great for this because this is going to help to deliver extra curl sculpting and definition. It's best to work in sections so you don't get too overwhelmed. You definitely want to keep your hair sections wet for best results and so you don't hurt yourself. I'm using my non-dominant hand to hold the chunk of hair that I'm going to be working with, and with these fingers, we're going to twist. The Gotta Bounce Curl Defining Cream is perfect for this styling because it offers a really nice conditioning feel to the hair and it won't leave it feeling sticky afterwards either. Now, if you've got the time and only then, you can do your whole head like this. But if not, do it the lazy way and focus on your face frame. You always want to grab your curl to twirl from the root. If you grab somewhere down here to twirl, then you're really not going to be doing your curls any justice. And personally, I like to flip my hair from side to side, so I don't want to style it with a parting. I'm just twirling this front section up and out. Or backwards, but not side to side. And then you come back with the dry results. You can either diffuse your hair dry or air dry, whichever you prefer. All right, here's the almost finished look. We're gonna give it one more scrunch, and if you really want your hair to just glisten, then listen, this step is optional, but this is a spray that's gonna help add extra shine and moisture to your hair to help keep it looking soft and healthy. And for an extra bonus beyond hair, you can actually spray this on your body as well for some extra glow. And that's it. That's the first style because your natural curly hairs are done up enough. Now, let's pick things up. For this look, you're gonna need a clip of the claw variety, and before you say it, because I know what you might be thinking, there's no way that's gonna fit my hair. I'm gonna share with you 2 variations of this claw clip style if you have shorter, more medium length hair like myself, or if you have longer and thicker hair and you're worried about the clip holding. So first, this is how I do it. I gather my hair as if I'm putting it in like a medium-high ponytail. I like a bit of a poof and some volume right here, as you can see. And once I have that, I'm gonna give my hair a twist. The squeeze is very important to make sure that it really locks into your hair. You wanna feel the clip right against your scalp. And as you can see, I've got this gorgeous volume on top, this really elegant looking style with a modern twist. Pun intended. But here's another way to do it if you have longer hair. Split the hair in 2 and twist each side towards the center. Then hold your 2 twists and clamp it. Then you can have fun with the face frame. You can wear it down the middle. I like to swoop it off to the side, have it come down, and then I just stick a pin of the bobby variety to lock that in place. I finished the look off with a touch more of the Just Glisten Hair and Body Mist. Oh, behave. And if you're into more of a faux bang, I have a trick for that next. For this bangin' look, we're gonna be doing some more bobby pinning. But first, we're gonna do some refreshing. This is the Bounce Back Curl Reviving Mist. And one of the reasons why I love this is because I can use it on my dry, pre-styled hair without any water. So it's perfect for on the go. Look, you can see on this side how it just instantly revived the moisture in my hair. It brought the bounce back. It smells amazing, and it's powered by aloe leaf juice, which is excellent for the curls, super nourishing, helps to add that shine back, and give a little bit of hold back to your style as well. Now we're ready to pin up these face frames. First, you just want to section away what we're going to be clipping. And once again, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do this depending on what we're working with. If you've got longer, grown out curtain bangs like me, I like to take the section of hair, open up the bobby pin, and stick it in like so. The key is that I'm sticking the pins in vertically, straight in, as opposed to across. horizontally like so. So that's 2 pins in. I'll let this hair down. Oh yeah. In my experience, they're so much easier to mask this way because you don't want anyone to know that these bangs are by clipping. Or if you have longer hair, twist the section up and then lay it on your forehead. Let it fan out a little bit. Now pull the curls you want longer. Open up the bobby pin and stick it in like so. When you let the hair down, as you can see, everything blends. These bangs look like they're growing out of my head. And personally, I love to style this look with a scarf or a sash for this very cute headband look. And there we have it. 3 easy hairstyles that you can do on your natural hair without doing too much because your natural curls are just enough. And don't forget that Mains by Mell told you so. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching me with Eva NYC. Peace.